What's up, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the news that matters. First up, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co. is making massive waves in the market. Then, buckle up as we head to Taiwan for the Semicon Taiwan Trade Show, a global gathering of innovation and cutting-edge technology that's set to break records. We're also diving into the future of chip packaging with TSMC exploring groundbreaking materials that could revolutionize how our devices handle heat and power. And finally, we've got a crucial update on Taiwan Semiconductor's stock performance and outlook that you need to know. Stick around, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Taiwan Semiconductor stock breaks out on solid growth outlook. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM, is on fire, not just in production, but on the stock market too. CFRA research has given the chip giant a major boost, upgrading its stock rating to buy from hold and hiking its 12-month price target significantly. This upgrade comes as TSM continues to capitalize on the booming demand for AI processors, a trend that's fueling accelerating sales and earnings growth. Analysts are bullish, with FactSet projecting substantial year-over-year increases in both earnings per share and sales for the current quarter. The company's stock has already broken out of a flat base, hitting a key buy point and signaling strong investor confidence. TSM's ability to produce cutting-edge AI chips for industry leaders like NVIDIA, AMD, and Broadcom positions it at the forefront of the AI revolution. The market is clearly reacting to this stellar performance, with TSM stock showing upward momentum. Investors and industry watchers are closely following TSM's trajectory as it solidifies its position as a tech leader. But is this rally sustainable, or is there more to the story? We're about to find out as we look at the massive Semicon Taiwan Trade Show kicking off soon. Citrus Showdown and Semiconductor Surge. While farmers in Yunlin County's Duliu City are celebrating the season's best pomelos at a local competition, the semiconductor world is buzzing with much bigger news. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co., TSMC, has navigated a tricky situation regarding its Nanjing fab's VEU status, with its stock price closing steady. This resilience suggests that its relatively limited exposure to the Chinese market is a key factor in maintaining investor confidence. The real excitement, however, is building for the Semicon Taiwan Trade Show. Dubbed the Olympics of the semiconductor industry, this event is set to be the largest ever, featuring a record 17 national pavilions and over 1,200 exhibitors from 56 countries. The focus: advanced packaging technologies and capacity expansion, driven by the insatiable demand for AI, HPC, and HBM chips. Innovations like CoWoS, InFO, and 3D IC packaging will be front and center, making this a must-watch event for anyone in the tech space. Meanwhile, Hun High Precision Industry Co., a key assembler for NVIDIA, reported a record August revenue, driven by strong demand for AI server racks. This surge underscores the massive growth in the AI hardware sector. With all this talk of AI and advanced packaging, what's next on the materials science front? We're digging into TSMC's exploration of a surprising new material for chip thermal management. TSMC eyes breakthroughs in CC thermal management. Forget traditional cooling solutions. TSMC is reportedly pushing the boundaries by exploring the use of 12-inch monocrystalline silicon carbide, CC, for thermal substrates. This ambitious initiative, in collaboration with equipment makers and compound semiconductor partners, aims to replace conventional materials like alumina, sapphire, or ceramics. While CC is already a powerhouse in applications like power semiconductors and automotive, its potential for advanced 3D IC packaging and even AR smart glasses lenses is now being unlocked. The key lies in its exceptional thermal conductivity, which significantly surpasses that of ceramics, making it ideal for handling the intense heat generated by data centers and AI-intensive computing. Although diamond still reigns supreme in thermal performance, scaling CC to a 12-inch wafer offers a more commercially viable path for now. TSMC's focus on CC particularly for thermal substrates and potentially as part of silicon interposers, could be a game changer. While challenges remain, such as achieving precise slicing techniques for these large wafers, the pursuit of superior thermal management is critical as chip technologies continue to advance. This material innovation is happening alongside major industry events. We're going to give you the full scoop on the massive Semicon Taiwan trade show and how it's shaping the future of the semiconductor landscape. Semicon Taiwan 2025, the Olympics of Semiconductors arrives. Get ready for the biggest semiconductor event of the year. Semicon Taiwan is kicking off, and organizers are calling it the Olympics of the semiconductor industry. This isn't just another trade show. It's a global spectacle expected to shatter records with over 1,200 exhibitors from 56 countries and a new high of 17 national pavilions, including first-time appearances from Canada, Costa Rica, Lithuania, Sweden, and Vietnam. With an estimated 100,000 visitors anticipated, the event is the premier stage for showcasing innovations across the entire electronics manufacturing and design supply chain. The spotlight is firmly on the mass production of advanced packaging technologies and capacity expansion, driven by the relentless demand for AI, high-performance computing, and high-bandwidth memory chips. Technologies like chip-on-wafer-on-substrate, CoWoS, integrated fan-out (InFO), and 3D IC packaging are set to dominate discussions and demonstrations. This gathering of industry giants is crucial for understanding the future direction of semiconductor innovation, from heterogeneous integration to the scaling challenges of next-generation materials. The sheer scale and international participation highlight the industry's dynamic growth and collaborative spirit. And speaking of industry leaders and their stock performance, we've got a crucial update on Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Co that you won't want to miss. And that's a wrap on today's Qualcomm Pulse. We covered Taiwan Semiconductor's stock surge, the massive Semicon Taiwan trade show, TSMC's exploration of silicon carbide for thermal management, and Hun Hai's record revenues. Don't miss out on future updates. Like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, hit that notification bell, leave a comment below, and follow us on all social media platforms for more cutting-edge tech news.